Hi, I'm Sajna. I'm an English teacher. I'm from Palakkad, Kerala. So today we're just going to discuss the English question paper of Sainik exam. So I hope you all did well. Let us start with the first question. And when we were preparing for the exam, I used to tell that their main aim was just to confuse you, isn't it? They will never give you the direct options or direct answers. So the first one, as usual, it's a comprehension question. They have given you a question passage. You have to read that and then questions are there. I'm not going to read the passage, just go through that. And it's all about Zeus and Prometheus, the god, then gods. The first question, that is question number 76, it was, what is the meaning of the underlined word Prometheus had defied Zeus? So actually when you search the meaning of the word defied, its meaning is openly resist or refuse to obey. Refuse to obey, that we are not ready to obey something. So let's check the four options. The first one is Prometheus had worshipped Zeus all his life. So we know that's not the answer. And the second one is Prometheus had defamed Zeus. Okay, defamed. So that is also not the answer. Actually, they have given you that just to confuse you. Defied and defamed. Okay. So Prometheus detested Zeus for his attitude. Okay. And that's also not the correct one. And the last one is Prometheus had disregarded the authority of Zeus. Disregarded. That means Zeus is having a position, but he didn't give due respect to that. So that is actually the meaning of that. And the answer is the fourth option. Okay. Now question number 77. Okay, which of the following statements is not true about Zeus and Prometheus? See, not true. The question is not true, so it's very tricky, right? So here again we have four options. From that we have to select only the wrong, not true option. Okay. So the first one is most Greek gods saw humans as a means of their entertainment. Okay. In the passage, they have given you the sentence, most gods thought of humans as toys. See the word, actually in the passage it is toys, but here it is for entertainment, but the meaning is same. So they just would like to confuse you. Okay. And then the next one is Prometheus was chained to a rock as he was a god. Okay, Prometheus was chained because he helped humans. Okay, that is the reason, not because he was a god. Okay, so that is actually a wrong option, not true. Now the third one is Zeus was an unforgiving god who did not like to be disobeyed. Zeus was a god who never likes to disobey. Actually, that is what Prometheus did, and he didn't like that. So that option is also right. Okay, now fourth option, Hercules emerged as a savior of Prometheus. So in the end of the story, we can understand that Hercules is the person who finally released the helpless god from his chain. So that is also true. So here only one option is not true, and that was option 2. Okay, option number 2. Now the third one, why was Zeus angry and disappointed at human? What is the reason behind that angry? Okay, so why he was angry, and we have the options. They kept asking him for fire. No, never, right? They didn't ask for fire. No, the second one is the humans misused his lightning bolt. No, they didn't misuse the lightning bolt. Even if it is there, that is not mentioned in the story, right? The passage which is given here. And the third one is the humans were quarrelsome and didn't respect the gods. They were quarrelsome. Look at the passage, and in the passage we can understand that, but their children were not as grateful or as content. The children argued among themselves. That means they are fighting, and sometimes even argued with the gods. That means they are not respecting the gods. Okay, the first generation was okay, but the second generation was not so good. That is the reason. Okay, so that is right. The option number 3 is right. Okay, now the humans were not intelligent enough to discover fire. That is also wrong. So the answer for question 78 is 3, third one. Okay, now next it is fill in the blanks with the most appropriate option, and the first one is there was no one else in the room dash calling. No one else. So when you check the options, first one is accept. Accept means we know that it's something like receiving, except other than them. Okay, and next one is there is actually that two options, 3 and 4, we know very well that that kind of word is not there in English. So only the first two options we'll have a bit confusion, and the first one is accepting, accept, taking, and accept is the answer. There was no one else in the room except Colin, only Colin was there. Okay. Okay, next question. The question number 80, the news is all dash the internet. All dash the internet. When we are using on the internet, it should be something that is present. It should not be a movable thing, okay, moving. So here I found this picture on the internet, that is okay. But here it is news which is circulating and it is like moving, right? It is so we can use over. The news is all over the internet. Okay. Now, so next we have question number 81. We studied about dash Roman Empire in school. So Roman Empire, that is a unique thing. So I used to tell you that when we are talking about something unique like this, before that which article we use the, okay, the Roman Empire. Okay, now next it is rearrange the following. So the option 3 is the answer. Okay, so next 82, it's rearrange the following words or phrases to make meaningful sentences. Choose the correct sequence. Okay, we have to choose the correct sequence. So here the sentence is the sun, you, of, must, stay out. Okay, and the answer is you must stay out of the sun. You must stay out of the sun. So we have the option 3, that is B, D, E, C, A. You must stay out of the sun. Okay. Now second one, I immediately salary my want. Okay, these are actually this comes under adverbs. Okay, so what is the answer? I want my salary immediately. Okay, so here the option is 83. We have the second one, I, A, that is A, E, D, C, B. Okay, I want my salary immediately. Okay, next 84. 84 is actually very easy. It's just antonym. Opposite of mortal is immortal. I-M-M-O-R-T-A-L. Immortal. Okay. Now 85, a dash of thieves was caught by the police. It is collective noun. Before thieves, which one we use? Pack of thieves. A pack of thieves. Okay. Now 86, it has become his habit to dash do his homework and then copy it from others. So here we should check the meaning also, and here the answer is never. He never do his homework, then only he can do this copying, right? Then he used to copy it from others. Now the next one, 87, is there was several dash at the conference. Here it is plurals. Okay, so we know very well that the plural of man, it is men, and woman, it is women. So W-O-M-E-N, women. Okay. Now the next one is to beat around the bush. Okay, to beat around the bush means not coming to the direct point. Simply talking about some other things, especially when a teacher is asking question to you. If you don't know the answer, you will never say that I don't know the answer. Instead of that, what you will do, you will just talk about something, right? Instead of coming to that direct point. So that is beating around the bushes. Let's just check the the options. To turn violent against a stranger. No way, this is not the right answer. To avoid saying something because it is uncomfortable. We are avoiding that, okay, because it's not comfortable for us to do that. And to come to the main point of the conversation, directly coming to the main point. And the last one, to start a fire in the forest. So we know very well the option or the right answer is option number 2. Okay. Now my father is a bookworm. He dash books to films and sports. So this is simple present tense. We know very well when we are talking something in simple present tense, that means habitual actions. Daily if something is happening, for that we use simple present tense. And when we are using simple present tense in the third person means when we are talking about others like he, she or any name, we used to add yes with the verb. Okay, so here we have only one verb with S. What is it? Prefers. So he prefers books to films and sports. Okay. And question number 90 prefers the option 3. Okay, question number 90, choose the most appropriate option. Which of the following options is the meaning of the word exhausted? Exhausted, we know, very tired. Okay, and the option is option number 4, very tired. And next is confectioner is a person who. So this is one word substitution. Actually, here we have two possible answers. Not possible answer. The answer is selling sweets. Okay, confectioner is a person who sells sweets or chocolates. But the word confetti, actually it has two meanings. One is the small pieces of paper that we used to throw during the parties. Now the colorful pieces of paper. That is confetti. But in Italian, the confetti means sweets. Okay. So actually we have these two options, we have chances, but I think the correct answer will be sell sweets, option number 3, because they are confusing you with the word confetti, confectioner, confetti. Most of you will have a habit of clicking on that, selecting that option. So the most probable answer is third one, sells sweets. Okay. Now 92, the captain dash along with the players. So captain dash, this is something past tense. The game happened some days before, right? The captain was present. We never use this in a continuous form because that was something that happened in past tense. So this is not a continuous form. So only in continuous form we use ing, isn't it? So here it is, was present. The captain was present. Okay. Now question number 93, we have leave your bags at the gate. Type of sentence, it's very easy, right? Type of sentence, we have 4 different types of sentence. First one here, it is imperative. Imperative means the sentences like request, command, then permission. These are all imperative. Okay. Declarative means normal statement, normal sentences. Then interrogative means questions. Okay, when we are asking questions, that is interrogative. And the last one is exclamatory. Exclamatory means the sentences in which we are showing our emotions. Okay, exclamatory mark will be there. Our feelings, our emotions, everything comes under this exclamatory sentence. Okay, so here the first one, the question is leave your bag at the gate. So this is an instruction. Okay, this kind of instructions will come under imperative sentence. So the option number 1 is the correct answer. Okay, here they are instructing. Now question number 94, near the equator, the sun dash greater quantities of water. This is something related with sun. Okay, so this is an universal truth or something which is a true fact always, right? So here also we use simple present tense. Okay, simple present tense, and we can consider this sun as a third person, right? So what did I say? We have to add yes with that. So the answer is the sun evaporates greater quantities of water, evaporates. Okay. Now the next one is correct spelling of apartment. We know that very well. It is option number 3, that is apartment, apartment. This kind of things you will get only through reading. So read more. Okay, fine. Now 96, the question number 96, today is the dash day of my life. The is there. The means superlative degree. Superlative degree, what we will do, we'll add est to the word or else most, right? Most or est. So here the options are more important, never. That is not the correct answer. Less important also not the correct answer. Important also not the correct answer. But we have the most important. So option 4 is the answer, because the is there and it's a superlative. Superlative means that is the highest degree. This is the best day in my life, like that. Okay, so the most important day of my life. Now next is poets are known to fly. See, soar, soar, all are soar, only sure is there, but still soar. And here the option is actually the word which have the similar meaning like fly is option number 3, S-O-A-R, soar. Okay, S-O-A-R, soar. I just want to soar high means I want to fly high. Okay. And the next one, do as director. There are some diseases that are inherited. Okay, some inherited. So here it is nouns. What kind of noun? So for diseases, diseases is a proper noun. No, we know that very well, because proper noun means specifically we will tell their name. So we have so many different kinds of diseases. We don't know which is this, right? So that is not the correct answer. And next we have this abstract noun. Okay, abstract noun, actually they are a kind of idea ideas, quality or something that we can't touch, okay, like danger, truth, the words like that. So here actually diseases are not a proper abstract noun. Okay, now next is collective noun. Collective noun, we know the one question we have, no, pack of thieves, like that, school of fishes, bunch of keys, or a bouquet of flowers. These are all collective. Together, we collectively, what is the name that we call them? So that is also not the right answer. But diseases is a common noun. Yes, it's a common noun, for we have so many different diseases like fever, even COVID-19 is a disease. So it's common name, that disease. Okay, so that is a common noun. Common, together, what is the commonly what we call them? So that is a common noun. Now 99, question number 99. After school, you and dash must discuss a few things. Okay, you and dash, you and him will not come, you and I will not come, because grammatically it is wrong. We will never use you and I. And you and we will not come, because you and me must discuss a few things. Okay, you and me is the correct answer. Now it is quite warm. Question tag. Okay, it is quite warm. Okay, the options are is it, wasn't it, isn't it, was it. So we know very well that if the statement is positive, we have to use a negative question tag. And first what we should check the helping verb, and here the helping verb is. So the negative of it is positive, so we have to make it into negative. Negative of is isn't. Okay, isn't. Then what is the subject? It. So isn't it. Then the option is option number 3. Okay. So with that, we are coming to an end to our English question paper. I hope you all did well. Thank you for giving me a wonderful opportunity. Thanks a lot. It was really a great time with you all guys. Okay, all the best. Bye-bye.